repairing a manual call point system. So I'm opening. We are going to open. So now we open. So we are going to give it an address. Okay. So this is where you address. This is an analog addressable. So like we are going to give it an address. So we are going to do something here. These are the switches. So they are named. The value of first one is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So this type is known as analog addressable. So they are of base 2 in mathematics. Number in base 2. So it's like 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, power 4, power 5, and 2 power 6. So we're going to give it address number 28. So you will do your calculations here. 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 is 24, plus 4 is 28. So 16, you turn it on. 8, you turn it on. And 4, you turn it on. So when it speaks, you will see what will happen. So give it a time. So you can see it has triggered an alarm, so it is now added to the system. So that is how you can add an analog addressable. So we'll show you from the panel. We'll show you from the panel how it has triggered an alarm. Stop. Now we are going to return it the way it was. So start by returning the screws. Then you can see it's already tight. And now we return the glass. You can see, so the glass has to hold this switch. So this switch is the one to be held by the glass. So you can see the glass as a returned. So that is how you can open and close this and address this type of break glass. So that is how you can open, close, and address this analog addressable type of manual call points. Let's go to the panel. We show you the alarm, how it has triggered the alarm. So guys, you can see the alarm. Now check the alarm active. You can see how the alarm is clicking. Red alarm active. You can see the location where we are from, triggering that manual call point. You can see alarm 001. So that is what we wanted to share with you today. This is called EST fire alarm system. Boom.